Good morning to all. My name is Emma Rishmita. Sir. I'm studying first standard A section. I say the hot samosa story. Hot samosa. Appa's like cook. Ammu's like watching him cook. Appa's what cook today? Puris and potatoes. Amma's favorite. Vegetable noodles. Appa's favorite. Fried rice. Ammu's favorite. Appa's make today what? Appas chop the vegetable. Chop, chop, chop. Red onions and the green chilies. Chop, chop, chop. Ammu peel the boiled potato. Peel, peel, peel. And Appas make the with water, salt, and the flour. Mix, mix, mix. Need. Appas making everyone's favorite samosa. Appas see the oil in the pan. When the oil in a pan, the oil is so hot. Put the samosa in the oil. Zizzle, zizzle, zizzle. The samosa are crispy. The samosa are hot. The samosa are wonderful. The samosa are best. Thank you, Pa. Your samosa are best. Thank you, the area.